What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you a type of business called PayPal arbitrage. Now I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money using this method. Now using this method, as you can see on the screen, I've carried out a whole lot of transactions and I've made a whole lot of money. Now if I go back to my other account, which I'm going to show you exactly how to do everything, which is this grill, and if I go to this balance section right here or go to transactions, you're going to see that I have a whole bunch of transactions right here. Let's go to money swap. As you can see, I have a lot of money, and this is just my last 6 transactions. There are so many other transactions, and if I go to withdrawal, I've withdrawn so much money as well. This is just my last 6 transactions as well. So a whole lot of money has been withdrawn. So if I just go and pull up my calculator right now and calculate this stuff for you, so let's say 91. Okay, so I want you to follow me. 91 plus 43 plus 59 plus 56 plus 13 plus 23. So this is over 285,000 naira, because I didn't add all these other ones. So this is over 285,000 naira, and I just did this just within a week. This is the last 7 days. This is just my last, as you can see, just within some days, so within some days or weeks, I've been able to make just 285,000 naira, just like that, guys. So this is something you need to do in order for you to make money. And to do this stuff, we need 2 accounts. We need a PayPal business account, a working PayPal business account, and we need a Grill account. This is Grill. Okay, now we need to link these 2 platforms, okay, in order for us to carry out this kind of business model. Now to do that, what we need to do is to create a PayPal business account. Now if you don't know how to create a PayPal business account, then guys, you need to watch my videos. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. That is the first thing. Then come to my YouTube channel right here and search for PayPal business account, because I've showed you guys exactly how to create PayPal business accounts right here on my channel. Okay, so just search for the video. You can just simply say King Obinnar PayPal business account, and you're going to see the video. I'm just trying to check if I'm going to see the video right now. I don't want to waste time on this, but just search for my video and you are going to see the video. Let me check if I can see the video so that it will be very easy for me to show you. Okay, so I believe you are watching and you are getting value. Okay, so this method I'm going to show you is going to make you good money, and trust me, you are going to earn a lot of profits from it. Okay, so right now I can't find it, but just search for King Obinnar PayPal business account and you see the video. So once you have your PayPal business account set up, now the next thing we need to do is to go to Grill and go and set up Grill. So just go to grill.co, grey.co, and you have your account set up. Now immediately you set up your grill.co account, the first thing you need to do is to come to this account section right here. Now you can be able to request for your virtual account. Now why do we need virtual account? We need this virtual account in order for us to link it to a PayPal, because this is going to provide us with virtual bank account, and that is what we need to link with PayPal. So right now we are going to request for United States virtual account. So as you can see, I have these 2 virtual accounts ready, but I've not requested for my Great Britain pounds. So you just need to, in your own situation, you won't have any, or you have any of them, you just probably have 3 of them asking you to request. So just click on request and submit all the necessary information, and your account is going to be set up. Now immediately your account is set up, now you need to link it with PayPal. Very simple. To link it with PayPal, go to this paid and get paid section and go to banks and cards, and immediately you come to this banks and cards section. Okay, let me log in my PayPal account again. So immediately you head over to this banks and cards section. It's going to bring a tab where you can now enter your bank details. So let's say you have registered and for Grill and your account is approved and you have your virtual account. Now if you click on it, you're going to see all your virtual account details, your bank number, the routing number, and everything. Now one mistake that people do is whenever they are creating their account, they tend to use different names, or to complicate issues or something like that. Please do not do that. Make sure you use the same information the way you used it on your PayPal to link to create the Grail account. So right now they sent a code to my phone, so I'm going to enter that code right now in order for me to log in my PayPal. So let me enter the code. Okay, so this is the code 47. Okay, yeah, so this is the code. I'm going to log in my PayPal account now. So immediately I log in right now, we need to link our bank to PayPal. So right now you should log in. Okay, right here we are here right now. So what we need to do is scroll down. We're going to see that I've linked two banks already. So I've linked my Grail bank, which is what I'm showing you in this video, and I've also linked my Payoneer, which is what I showed you in one of my videos, how to link your PayPal account to your Payoneer, which is this video. Okay, I've passed it. Let me scroll up again. Yeah, this video right here. Yeah, this video right here, link Payoneer to PayPal. I showed exactly how to link it. So go and watch this video if you want to learn how to do this with Payoneer. You can also do this stuff I'm going to show you with Payoneer as well, but just keep watching. So once we are here, you just need to click on link a new bank, and this is Grail. This is the bank details we are going to be linking. So immediately you click on link a new bank, is going to pull this thing up. Like now it says we should link a US bank account. Please note this, link a US bank account. Now the bank account we're going to be linking is our United States dollars bank account. Don't try to link Great Britain pounds or your euros, because it actually rightfully said here link a US bank account. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing. So right now we have all the details, account number, routing number, and everything. Just copy and paste. Just copy the account number and come here and just paste the account number, and go copy the routing number and paste as well. Now immediately do this. Okay, this is not the routing number. I know I just pasted. Let me just go copy the main routing number. So this is the routing number right now. Control C and paste it. Okay, so you may do this, you can be able to now, it's going to pull up the name of the bank. As you can see, the name of the bank is Community Federal Savings Bank. So we can now link the bank. Now most of the times whenever you click on this link a bank, you are going to get an error that says maybe your account cannot be linked, you should contact support for help. One of the ways you can solve that issue is actually contacting PayPal support for help. Please don't try to link it multiple times in order to avoid your account being blocked. Okay, so if you try it and it doesn't work, don't try it again, because it's not going to work. It doesn't work the first one, it's not going to work again. You need to contact PayPal support. So immediately contact them. They are going to show you or tell you the reasons behind your account not being able to link, and they can provide possible solutions to you. That is one way. Another way is to make sure every details in your Grail bank is matching with your Payoneer with your PayPal account. If the names are different, you might have issues with it. So make sure it's the same, and you just need to contact PayPal support, and they can be able to render help to you. Now once you have the account linked, now you can now go ahead and source for funds. Now how do you source for funds? This is the major part of the business, because the more funds you have, the more money you are going to make. So if you come to this Grail section, let me show you something real quick. If you come to Grail right now and scroll down, you're going to see that these are the rates right now. So United States dollars is selling, they buy for 580, okay, and euros is 618, sorry, and pounds is 736, but dollars here is 580. So you need to go and source for fund, buy PayPal funds from freelancers, from people you know. If you don't know them, you need to create banners, tell people you buy PayPal funds. Okay, now they are going to sell their PayPal funds to you for lower rates, let's say 480, 490, 500, maximum 500, 510. Okay, so when they send out funds to you, of course you receive it with your PayPal account. Then you can now move the money by clicking on this transfer money. Then you can now move the money to your own bank account, which is that Grail account you've linked, which is, as you can see right here, this is my Grail Community Federal Savings Bank. So I can just click here, this is where I want the money to go, and click next. Okay, so once you have your funds, transfer the money to this community federal service bank that gave you. Now when you transfer the money here, it's going to take some days, 1 to 3 business days for the money to arrive. Now once the money arrive right here on Grill, then you can then do the arbitrage. You just go to your account, then you just go to balance, sorry, then you go to the currency, let's say it's USD, then you swap it to NGN. So you just click on swap, then you can swap it to Naira, and they are going to tell you that $1 is for 580. Then you swap it to dollar, then when you swap it to Naira, sorry, then you're going to get the equivalent. Then you can then place a withdrawal, which is how I did all this stuff. This is the last 6 transactions. So this is how I carried out all this stuff. Okay, so it's very simple, and guys, it takes just a little time and you're going to make money for yourself. So doing this business, I've earned over 285k, and it's a good business model. So I just want to show you guys and show you exactly another type of business. Now you can do this with whatever you are doing, with your e-commerce store, with whatever you are doing. So just add this one to the bag and keep doing it. So this is arbitrage, this is PayPal arbitrage. Okay, so if you have any question, which I know you do, tell me in the comment section, because I'm always there to answer your questions. Like this video so that more people is going to see the video, and we are going to help more people in order for them to achieve their financial goal. And share this video to somebody you know that needs this stuff, okay? Because I know some people, some of your contact needs this video. Share it to them so that they can be able to understand and see how everything works. Okay, guys, this is my part. I've done my part. If you want me to do any video for you, make sure to tell me. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. And guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. I want you to keep winning, keep making money, and keep enjoying your money. Thank you very much.